What is up, guys? It is Joe Pilak. Today, what I did was demonstrate Pete Maravich's go-to moves. He's one of the greatest scorers of all time. The greatest scorer, actually number one in college basketball history. 3 years, he averaged 44 2 points per game for his career at LSU under his dad, Pete Maravich. In the NBA, he was a great scorer as well. But anyway, I demonstrated his moves, and he's one of my favorite players. So enjoy this. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. And yo, if this gets to 10 likes, I'll do another, impersonation video or just showing you how to do an NBA player's moves. But 10 likes, let's get it up, baby. Let's get it up. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.